Magandang hapon po ng August 20, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng August 20, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, August 20, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 20, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 101.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 15.8 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 6.5 million pesos for Tuesday, August 20, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for August 20, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.